There is one exact number that's going to help you get more views, help you get monetized, and help you achieve all your goals. What's that number? I'm going to write it on the board in a second, but before I do, please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Please, just throw a like right now. Just right down there. Just go, like. I like it. It means the world to me. Helps me out. And then engage. Talk to me. Let me know what you think about this video. So, this is the number. $100. And the reason that number is going to get you more views, more subscribers, get you monetized, is because that's how many videos that you need to make before you can even really consider yourself an actual YouTuber. I'm nowhere near it. I'm not even at the halfway mark, striving towards it every day. The reason I say you need to make 100 videos before you can consider yourself a quote-unquote real YouTuber, before you can start really understanding the algorithm, before you can start really understanding the analytics of everything, you need to make 100 videos. Most of the big YouTubers, all the big stars, the people that you look up to and you emulate and you're trying to copy or to learn from, they have hundreds of videos. Many of them didn't strike it big until after they got over that 3-figure mark. It's a milestone. But here's the reason I say 100 specifically. I could say 117. I could say 92. I could quote some bullshit study that was done in some foreign country that makes it sound a little bit more legitimate, that says exactly 131 videos is the one that most no, 100. Why 100? I talk about catching your first fish. Been talking about it in every one of my videos. Catch your first fish. First one. Make your first video. You make your first video, it's going to be crap. Make your 10th video. Still probably going to be crap. Keep going. Keep working. I have challenged myself to do 30 videos in 30 days. And my only goal, besides actually doing 30 videos in 30 days, was to get 1% better. Now that's only going to get me to 30%. I started at 0. I do 30 videos, 1% better. That's 30%. I still have a long ways to go to be near perfect or to be near an expert. Repetition. You need to keep doing it. You need to keep making the videos. You need to see what works. You'll get little glimpses of success. If I get 1% better with every video that I make, I'll be at 100%. Now, you're never going to be totally at 100%. There's always going to be something that you can learn. There's always going to be some way that you can make your videos better. There's ways to market yourself better to your audience, or you'll learn more from your audience as you go on what they like. And you may have to adapt and change and learn some new things. So you'll never be at 100%. But once you've made 100 videos, the repetition of it and the learning that you're going to do, the experience that you're going to get is going to be second to none. There's no point in putting out 1 video, 2 videos. Most people get bored after they do 3 videos, 5 videos. And then the people that don't get bored keep pushing. But after 10 videos, 15 videos, they get frustrated. They go, oh man, nobody's watching. This is ridiculous, man. YouTube's bullshit. It's a scam. It's not a scam. You just gave up too soon. Keep working. Keep driving. Do what you got to do. Keep throwing your line in, man. You're going to catch that first fish sooner or later. I had very, very basic goals for my first 30 videos. First one was I wanted to make a video and upload it to YouTube. The second thing was I wanted to get 1 like. The next thing was I wanted to get 1 subscriber. The next thing was I wanted to get 1 comment. I got my first like. I got my second like. I've gotten my 5th like. I got my first comment. I got my first subscriber. Now I think I'm up to 4. Sounds sad when you look at the YouTubers that have millions of subscribers and hundreds of millions of views on their videos, but it's not sad when you're just starting out. Now keep in mind, yeah, I'm going to have almost 30 videos up, or I'll have 30 videos up in a couple days. I'll make my 30-day goal. Definitely going to make that. So I'll have 30 videos up. Out of those 30 videos, and now it's 30 videos in 30 days. So my YouTube channel is 30 days old. So in 30 days, 30 videos, I've already had, I'm at like 115 views, something like that. Nothing crazy, but I mean, I wanted 1 view when I started, you know, just let's catch all those first fish. Let's come up with a title. Let's come up with a thumbnail. Let's come up with a script. Let's record the video and then do some kind of editing to that video and then post it on YouTube. It was all brand new. Every single one of those steps was brand new to me. And I did it. And that was one. That was one of what's going to be 100. And then hopefully 200, 300, 500. Who knows when I'm going to stop. But I'm definitely not going to stop until I at least get to 100. Because then I can sit there and go, this is what I've accomplished. This is what I've done. I'm proud of the things that I've done. I'm proud of the things that I've learned. And even if my channel hasn't exploded and it's not what I'm doing full time, it doesn't matter to me because I've learned a skill and I've done something. I put myself out there and I'm proud of myself. So catch your first fish. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Get busy making those 100 videos because they're not going to make themselves.